The Lenovo Z101 Mini Drone is designed for those who seek professional-grade aerial photography in a compact and portable form. Combining cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Key features: 5G technology, experience seamless control and faster data transfer with advanced 5G technology, ensuring a reliable connection for real-time video transmission and smooth drone operation. Foldable design. With a compact foldable design, the Z101 Mini Drone is easy to carry and store, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures and professional photography. Optical Flow Control. The drone's advanced optical flow control system ensures smooth and stable flight, providing precise hovering capabilities and enhanced flight stability, even in challenging environments. Obstacle avoidance feature. Fly with confidence as the Z101 Mini Drone is equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, which detects and avoids obstacles in real time, ensuring safe and worry-free flights. 8K Professional HD Camera. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the 8K HD camera, which offers crystal-clear video and high-resolution photos, ideal for professional photography and videography. The adjustable 90° camera lens allows for versatile shooting angles, from horizontal to vertical and overhead views. The Lenovo Z101 Mini Drone is perfect for both beginners and professionals, offering a balance of advanced features and ease of use. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or dynamic action shots, this drone provides the tools you need to elevate your aerial photography game.